Quantum entanglement was ironically born in a paper written by Einstein, Podolsky, and Rosen that proposed a paradox of how absurd and wrong the laws of quantum mechanics were. Why did Einstein hate this theory so much? Well, since every quantum object behaves as both a wave and a particle at the same time, entanglement seemed to defy Einstein's relativity. So what is quantum entanglement? We say that two particles are entangled when one of their observable properties is correlated. This means that measuring one will give us the other, with 100% accuracy instantaneously, no matter the distance between them. Let's say we have an entangled pair of blue and red particles. To know which is which, I will measure one of them with a color detector that tells me whether it is blue or not. Imagine the result is positive. I will then know that this particle is blue, while the other one is red, without having to measure the second one. If I now measured the same particle, but with a detector that senses whether it is red or not, I would expect to get a negative result. But reality is that I now have a 50% chance of this particle being red and the other one blue. This happens because quantum objects are in a superposition of states when not being observed, meaning that the particles are not red or blue, they are red and blue at the same time, with a certain probability of being one or the other. This is due to the wave-particle duality that I've mentioned before. In this case, measuring doesn't confirm our reality, but instead obligates the particle to choose. So, if observing is what makes particles decide, and we know the colors of both particles instantaneously by just measuring one of them, that implies that the particle being measured is sending information to the other one faster than the speed of light. However, relativity is safe for now, since this has an easy explanation. There is simply no communication between the two, because they work as a system. When you observe one of the particles, you're not forcing it to choose red or blue. You're forcing the whole system to choose one state, making it possible for quantum entanglement and relativity to live at peace.